Hi everyone, have a blessed day. This is Mary once again. For this time, we will make chicken barbecue. I'm gonna show you my very own barbecue sauce. Okay, here are the ingredients. I have 10 pieces of the chicken, 2 juice of oranges, half a cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of white sugar. You have brown sugar, that will be good. And this is half cup of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, 10 pieces of cloves, crushed cloves garlic. And this is optional, dried chilies, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. What we're gonna do, we will mix all ingredients and we will see. I think this is too much for our chicken. What I'm gonna do, we will take some of the sauce. We can use this for sauce. We can cook this. What I'm gonna do, I will less the sauce because this is too much for the chicken. Okay, we will marinate this for overnight. For me, I'm gonna make it 24 hours. But if you like, you can use this. You can marinate for 3 hours to 5 hours. It's up to you if you really don't have time. And the rest of the sauce, we can put this in the recess, or you can use this for dipping. Now we will put this in the oven for about 350 degrees. Barbecue, it's ready. Please try this in your home. I'm sure children will love this recipe. It's a little bit sweet. If you like to add some spices like chilies, you can add. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless. See you for my next video.